Hi, I'm Oliver McCall,
And I'm Michael Lovell, and we're from the SSKB Develop Consulting team.
and today we're going to be discussing hot new amenities in body corporate world. To start off, Mike, I thought we'd have a chat about electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging stations in body corporate, becoming quite a hot topic recently, I think.
They are, and there are a lot more schemes and developers that are starting to put in, charging points in every car park now, as opposed to before when there'd be one or two in a visitor car park. These days, developers are looking at putting in that full service to every car park or every lot car park within the scheme. So.
Yeah, it used to be quite an issue. It'd say, we'll put two in, we'll put 2 or 3 spaces in. What happens when Michael decides to leave his Tesla there for 6 hours, someone else wants to use it, we don't have enough space. So putting them in every spot seems to be a solution going forward. I mean, electric vehicles are becoming more prevalent. I think moving forward seems to be the way of the future. So
yeah, I guess the only other option too is that some developers are now putting in a car share type scenario into their schemes as well. So bringing forward stuff to do with car sharing as opposed to actually then having to own a car. You can just hire it from time to time through the body corporate to get from A to B and do whatever you need to do. If you're not especially if you're in the inner city and you don't need a car to get around because you work and live there, that's also a great option.
Yep. And that raises again, does every lot need a car space? Next 10 years, autonomous cars, electric vehicles, autonomous vehicles.
Yeah.
Way of the future, I think.
So give us your thoughts. What do you think? Make a comment.
So feel free to contact us to have a chat about EV charging stations, autonomous vehicles, EU spaces in the car park, and we'll offer some advice.